weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Medina County, southern Summit County, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 15 miles northwest of Barberton and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Akron, Barberton, Mogator. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Medina, and Summit.
A flash flood warning.